Welcome to Jay's YouTube channel, Jay YouTube. Hello, this is Jay and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning about viruses. First, let's understand what is a virus. Well, this small point here between the equal sign and the divided sign is 1 millimeter. Just 1 millimeter. Now divide that millimeter into 1 million tiny small parts. Exactly 1 million parts. That is 1 nanometer. Now that nanometer is very, very, very tiny. So a virus is 40 to 750 of those nanometers in diameter. Diameter is the length from here to here. That is very small. It's so small that if a bacteria had eyes, then the bacteria would also not be able to see it. It would be like how humans can't see bacteria without a microscope. Bacteria couldn't see viruses without a microscope for bacteria, which isn't a thing. Next, we will be learning about the structure of a virus. Well, a virus is a DNA or RNA code, depending on if it's double-stranded or single-stranded, that is wrapped inside a protective layer of what they call a capsid. The blue part is the capsid. It's spelled C-A-P-S-I-D. And that capsid is protected inside an envelope of fat. They're fat walls that protect it. And like I said earlier, the fat walls are 40 to 750 nanometers in diameter. Then we have small little joints that act like proteins to our fat envelope on our virus. And those protein joints sort of connect to a cell so it can infect. Once the cell is connected, once the virus is connected to the cell, like this one or this one doesn't connect, then it finds its way into the cell and it forces the part of the cell that makes protein to make thousands of duplicate copies of the virus instead. And the cell doesn't even know it's doing this. It thinks that it's just doing its job, making protein, but really it's making thousands of copies in the virus. Then the cell bursts open with all of the copies of the virus, and all the viruses, let's say its worst, go to attack all the other cells. That's exactly what happens. And that is how the virus spreads. And in some cases, the cell that infected could be destroyed completely. And that is how a virus attacks the cell, and how does it spread is, it bursts open. Now we'll learn how does a virus attack. Well, first, a virus has to get into your body in order to start its attacking. So, there are 3 ways a virus can get into your body. The first one is that, it goes on your food or in your water. And the second one is that it goes through a cut that hasn't been protected, like even protected by a bandage or protected by a, say, scab that your body makes. And our last reason is that you breathe the virus in. So now we'll learn, why is it important to wash with soap? Well, the soap, remember, a virus isn't living, so it can't be killed. But when you wash with soap, it can break up the virus, and that inactivates the virus. And that is why it's important to wash with soap, because that means that your virus can no longer spread and, well, it's useless, basically. Now, we'll see some fun facts about our viruses. Our first fun fact is that 5 to 8% of human DNA is made up of virus DNA. And our second fun fact is viruses are not put in fossils because they are too tiny and they cannot be preserved for long. Preserved means that they're kept. Preserved means kept in a plate, on one place for long. Our fun fact of the day is wasp eggs have special viruses that keep caterpillars away. And this is the first time I've drawn a sketch to go with our fun fact of the day. Thanks for watching. I wanted to make this video especially for what's going on right now. So if you like the video, please subscribe and please watch my other videos. Bye!